Back, students. I hope you all are taking care of yourself and staying at home. What are the types of flowers that we know, children? We know about jasmine, which is also called as malle moggalu, which your mother, grandmother put it in their hair, or sometimes even put on a god's statue. There is sunflower which grows facing the sun in the day and sleeps in the night. Then there is chamanti, which are used for garlands, decorations, and various other things. We have hibiscus, which is also called as shoe flower. We use orchids for decoration and to give a bouquet of flowers to someone or to even put it in a vase. And lotus, which is the national flower, grows in the river or a lake and blooms its flower on its surface. Even in school, different groups are named after flowers like pansies, roses, daffodils, and shamrocks. Pansies are purple in color, roses are red, daffodils are yellow, and shamrocks are green. Flowers make the plant look more attractive and eye catching. A flower is a special kind of plant part. Flowers are also called the bloom or blossom of a plant. Today we are going to do a poem which is about a flower called daisy. Daisies are special. The daisy is two flowers in one. The large outer petals make up one flower, and the cluster of tiny petals that form the center eye make up another. This flower has two parts. One is white, they are the petals, and the yellow is the second part. Even if the petals fall, the yellow remains. Daisies can be found in grassland, meadows, gardens, and even roadsides. They grow both on dry and wet land. Let's begin with the poem The Little Daisy. Reeds, tall plants like grass that grow near water. Children, look at the picture. The little white daisy opened with the sun. I am not lazy when there's work to be done. The bee will come to suck my honey, and she doesn't pay me with any money. Here the little daisy says she opens up when the sun rises. She is not lazy until she does her work. The bee comes to suck honey from the daisy. But when it comes, it doesn't pay her anything. Like children, when you go to a shop and when you want something, what you do? You pay money and then only you get that whatever you want. Isn't it? Same way the daisy says, the bee comes and suck honey but doesn't pay her anything. But without her, I did have to no seeds, and no more daisies would grow among the reeds. Children, this will be your homework. As I have taught you in the last session, make sentences. Now you will make sentences with these words. That is lazy, grow, among, open. The first one I will give an example and you do the remaining three. Lazy. Ramesh was very late to school because he was a lazy boy. He couldn't reach school on time. So now you make sentences of your own with grow, among and open. And the second homework is look at the picture of Arzu's garden and write 5 sentences describing the picture. Use these hints for help. What is Arzu doing? What is Arzu's father doing? What is Arzu's grandmother doing? How many types of vegetables and fruits are there? How many people are in the garden? Arzu is watering the plants with the pipe. And at the side of her is her father with a tray, and at the next to him is her mother with a tray. And the grandmother is sitting down planting some plants. Now see, with the help of all these pictures, you see and then do the sentences. Thank you.